Firstly, I'd like to say as new Chief Executive how delighted I am to be appointed in the area that I'm a resident. I have a commitment to this area, having been a resident and being a resident here for the last 17 years. Plus it also means that I'm here for the long term. I'm not somebody who's just here to make sure that we make changes over a 1 or 2 year period. This is about how we support you as residents and improve Wrecsam as a place for the next 10 to 15 years. Some of my initial priorities are around supporting you as communities and residents to make sure that our towns and villages are as strong as possible moving forward. Second priority for me is making sure that our economy in Wrecsam is really strong, that the town centre is vibrant and attracts people into the centre of Wrecsam, and that also local businesses feel supported. And the third area of priority for me is that the services that we provide that are so critical to you are doing the things that you need them to. So whether that's our waste collection services, our secondary schools, or our social services in terms of providing care for children and adults, that these are doing the things that you need them to do. I will be visible as the Chief Executive in Wrecsam, out and about at local events. So if you do have ideas or thoughts, do feel free to stop to me, speak to me, and let me know what's important to you.